In this video, we will use the FullConnect to bench test the electronics of a Chevrolet Onix. We will connect the body control module, anti-lock brake module, instrument cluster, antenna, and the ECU. First, we need to interconnect all of the modules. The FullConnect's connection assistant provides us with detailed information that will allow us to make all of the necessary connections. Then, we will be able to manipulate the electronics in a practical way. First, we'll give power to terminal 30, then terminal 15 so that the whole system can begin to work. As the system begins to communicate, we observe activity on the CAN bus network. The instrument cluster turns on. The antenna has detected the key, but on the instrument panel, we can see the immobilizer indicator is on, which indicates a problem in the system. In this case, the indicator is on because we have substituted the body module from another vehicle. The next thing we will do is pair it with the other modules using the I/O terminal. We'll use the FullConnect to completely test the system before delivering the job, in order to give the best possible service to our customers. First, we open the I/O terminal software and select the BCM from the menu. Select BCM Info, click Read Info, and it will automatically detect the system and display the information in this pane. We then select the BCM, click Connect, and now we are able to read the serial memory. The software automatically displays data such as the PIN code, the mileage, and the VIN number. Go to the Memory Dump tab to see the data. We will save this information in order to clone the BCM that we will be replacing. We'll do the same thing with the microprocessor flash memory data. Then, we will have all of the information to write to the replacement BCM. At CEA, we work hard to give our customers the tools and technical support they need in order to stand up to the latest automotive electronics challenges. If you would like to see more videos or more information about our equipment, don't forget to hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.